Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the Script Brush tool. The Script Brush tool offers a simplified way to record and playback scripts. It can be very useful for automating a series of strokes that may be used for texturing. With the Rec Brush button, you will start the recording of a script that is designed for playback with the Script Brush tool where the exact same brush or set of brushes are used. Click the Rec Brush button to start recording. Now switch to the Brush tool. You can select it from the toolbar or to use the right mouse button instead. Select a brush and paint any number of strokes. While any actions can occur when recording a script brush, it is designed for best use with a limited number of strokes. Note that other types of actions can be recorded here, including from other tools such as Rectangle, Image Warp and others. When you are finished, select the Script Brush tool again. Click the Stop Rec button to stop the recording. Click and drag on the canvas with the Script Brush tool selected to paint with your recorded script brush. Single-click to place just one occurrence of the recorded script. Do note that while the results can look similar to a clip brush, the Script Brush tool is very different in that the strokes are being painted each time rather than an image being stamped into place. Unlike the Rec button option, the Rec Stroke button will record a script where the currently selected brush isn't recorded, but only the brush strokes. For this option, you need to have selected the brush before entering the Rec Stroke button. After recording the script, you will be able to reproduce it with different brushes and colors. If you want to save your current script for later use, you can do it by clicking the Save button. Enter a name and click OK. It will be saved into the standard script brush folder. When you need to use it again, click the Load button and select it from the list.